Who has been appointed as the Chief of the Naval Staff in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Indian Air Force in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Amarpreet Singh. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. Who has been appointed as the Chief of National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB? Correct answer is option B, Alok Ranjan. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Army Staff? Correct answer is option A, Upendra Dwivedi. Who has become the new Director of Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI? Correct answer is option A, Praveen Sood. Who is the current Chief of Research and Analysis Wing, RAW? Correct answer is option A, Ravi Sinha. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Who has been recently appointed as the Chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? Correct answer is option A, Arvind Pangaria. Who has become the new Chairman of Airports Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Vipin Kumar. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force, CISF? Correct answer is option A, Rajvinder Singh Bhatti. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is option C, Preeti Sudan. Who has become the new President of FICCI? Correct answer is option D, Harshvardhan Agrawal. Who is the current Director General of the National Security Guard, NSG? Correct answer is option D, B. Srinivasan. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? Correct answer is option B, Ravi Agrawal. Who has been appointed as the Director General of PIB? Correct answer is option B, Dhirendra Ojha. Who is the permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Correct answer is option D, Parvataneni Harish. Who is appointed as the new Governor of Telangana? Correct answer is option A, Jishnu Dev Verma. Who has been recently appointed as the new Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB? Correct answer is option C, Anurag Garg. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of State Bank of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Who has been recently appointed as the new Managing Director of SBI? Correct answer is option B, Rama Mohan Rao Amara. Who has been appointed as the President of NASSCOM? Correct answer is option A, Rajesh Nambiar. Who is the new Chairperson of NASSCOM? Correct answer is option B, Sindhu Gangadharan. Who has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Who is appointed as the new CAG of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of BrahMos Aerospace? Correct answer is option A, Jatirth Raghavendra Joshi. Who has been appointed as the 26th Director General of Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, S. Paramesh Sivamani. Jay Shah has become the youngest chairman of which organization? Correct answer is option A, International Cricket Council. Who has been appointed as the new president of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C, Sanjay Nair. Who has been named as the first Indian ambassador of the International Table Tennis Federation, ITTF? Correct answer is option B, Sharath Kamal. Who has been elected as the first Indian president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Correct answer is option B, Randhir Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who has been appointed as the Director of Enforcement Directorate? Correct answer is option A, Rahul Naveen. Who has been appointed as the new National Ambassador for UNICEF India? Correct answer is option B, Kareena Kapoor Khan. Who is the current Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option A, Devendra Fadnavis. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of ESIC? Correct answer is option B, Ashok Kumar Singh. Sajata Sonak has been appointed as the first woman Chief Secretary of which state? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of NHRC? Correct answer is option B, V. Ramasubramanian. Who among the following recently took charge as Defense Secretary? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of NSDL? Correct answer is option B, Vijay Chandok. Who has been reappointed as the Chief of the Intelligence Bureau in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Tapan Kumar Decker. Who among the following recently took charge as Cabinet Secretary? Correct answer is option C, TV Somanathan. Who has become the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR? Correct answer is option D, N. Kalasalvi, who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI. Correct answer is option A, Bhuvanesh Kumar, who has taken oath as the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court. Correct answer is option C, M.S. Ramachandra Rao, who has been appointed as the Chairperson of National Commission for Women, NCW. Correct answer is option A, Vijay Rahadkar. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Correct answer is option D, Antonio Guterres. John Mahama has been elected as the new president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Ghana. Who has become the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Shami Silva. Naveen Ramgoolam has been elected as Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option D, Mauritius. Who has been recently elected as the President of Vietnam? Correct answer is option C, Luong Kong. Philmong Yang of Cameroon has been elected as the President of which organization? Correct answer is option A, United Nations General Assembly. Judith Suminwa Tuluka recently became the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, Democratic Republic of Congo. Who has been re-elected as the first woman Director General of WTO? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Duma Boko has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Botswana. Who has been appointed as the director of FBI by Donald Trump? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel. Abdoulaye Maiga recently became Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, Mali. Who has been elected as the Director General of the International Solar Alliance, ISA? Correct answer is option B, Ashish Khanna. Paul Kagame was sworn in as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Rwanda. Who has been elected as the new Secretary General of Interpol? Correct answer is option B, Valdesi Urquiza. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah has been elected as the first female president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Namibia. Harini Amarasuriya has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of France? Correct answer is option C, Francois Bayrou. Yamandu Osei has been elected as the new president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Uruguay. Who has been elected by the US President Donald Trump as the head of NASA? Correct answer is option A, Jared Isaacman. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of NATO 2024? Correct answer is option B, Mark Rutte. Who is the current Secretary General of BIMSTEC? Correct answer is option B, Indra Mani Pandey. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Correct answer is option A, Masato Kanda. Who was sworn in as Mexico's first female president in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Claudia Sheinbaum. Mikhail Kavlashvili becomes the new president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Georgia. Who has been reappointed as the managing director of the IMF, International Monetary Fund? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.